All right, I just got done installing these SPAL fans, guys, and they are ridiculous. You're not gonna believe just how cold they will get this 632-inch big block Chevy down to. It is crazy. They're a 1226 CFM 30101522. There was a 2-pack on Amazon for 155 bucks. I'm just gonna go through real quick on the video and remove the old ones that just sucked, and then put these new ones on. We got to change these fans out. These are supposedly 12-inch fans from Alloy Works. They just cannot keep up. This part should be super easy. All right, guys, what do you think? Thermostat actually opens at 180, and we're just going to turn it off. So we got it coming on here at 185. We're going to have it turn off at, let's say 155. This truck has never ran below 185 once it's running. All right, it just turned on. We're at 189. Horsepower, 632 cubic inch big block, and those two little 12-inch fans pulled it all the way down to 156 degrees. That is unbelievable. Those fans are awesome. That's all I can say. My other fans sucked really bad because it wouldn't come down below 190 before.